Hello, welcome to Architide channel. Step inside a world where architecture meets ambition and every detail whispers sophistication. In this episode, we're unveiling the secrets behind truly exceptional living spaces, homes that don't just look expensive, but feel extraordinary in every corner. What transforms a modern house into a statement of ultimate luxury? Is it the grand scale, the flawless materials, or the seamless fusion of technology and design? Stay with me as we explore high-end modern house inspiration that could completely redefine the way you see luxury living. Welcome to this ultimate luxury home design guide, where we explore the world of high-end modern house inspiration tailored for discerning homeowners and design enthusiasts. As an architecture-focused YouTube creator, you understand that luxury today is not just about grand scale, but about thoughtful design, refined materials, and personalized living experiences. In this video, we'll dive deep into what defines true modern luxury and how you can translate it into a stunning architectural masterpiece. Modern luxury in architecture is characterized by clean lines, open spaces, and a seamless blend between functionality and aesthetics. Unlike traditional opulence filled with excessive ornamentation, high-end modern homes embrace simplicity with intention. The philosophy often echoes the principles of less is more, famously championed by Ludwig Mies van der Rohe. Today's luxury homes focus on proportion, natural light, spatial flow, and the harmonious relationship between interior and exterior environments. The exterior of a luxury modern house sets the tone for the entire property. Bold geometric forms, cantilevered volumes, and expansive glass facades create a striking visual identity. Materials such as natural stone, exposed concrete, steel, and wood cladding are commonly used to add texture and depth. Inspiration can often be traced back to visionary architects like Frank Lloyd Wright, who emphasized integration with the surrounding landscape, ensuring that the home feels rooted and timeless. A true high-end modern home makes an unforgettable first impression through its entrance. Oversized pivot doors, double-height ceilings, and sculptural lighting installations instantly communicate elegance. The foyer is no longer just a transitional space, it becomes an architectural statement. Large-scale art pieces, floating staircases, and floor-to-ceiling glass panels enhance the sense of openness and grandeur while maintaining a minimalist, curated aesthetic. Luxury modern design embraces open concept living, yet it does so with thoughtful zoning to maintain intimacy and function. Living rooms, dining areas, and kitchens flow seamlessly, often anchored by a central feature such as a fireplace wall or a designer kitchen island. Subtle transitions using lighting, ceiling treatments, or material changes help define each zone. The result is a fluid yet organized layout that supports both grand entertaining and everyday comfort. In high-end modern houses, the kitchen becomes a masterpiece of design and technology. Sleek cabinetry, handleless systems, integrated appliances, and waterfall marble islands define the space. Smart storage solutions and concealed lighting create a clean and sophisticated look. Premium finishes like quartzite countertops, brushed brass fixtures, and custom millwork elevate the kitchen into a luxurious social hub where aesthetics and functionality coexist seamlessly. Bedrooms in modern luxury homes are designed as private retreats. Neutral color palettes, layered lighting, and expansive windows create a serene atmosphere. Walk-in closets with boutique-style displays enhance the experience of daily living. Bathrooms take inspiration from five-star resorts, featuring freestanding tubs, rainfall showers, natural stone surfaces, and underfloor heating. These spaces prioritize relaxation, privacy, and refined material choices for a true sanctuary effect. True modern luxury integrates advanced technology and sustainable design principles. Smart home systems control lighting, climate, security, and entertainment with a single touch. Energy-efficient glazing, solar panels, and passive cooling strategies reduce environmental impact while maintaining comfort. Luxury today means responsible design, where innovation enhances lifestyle without compromising ecological awareness or long-term efficiency. One of the defining elements of high-end modern house inspiration is the seamless connection between indoor and outdoor spaces. Retractable glass walls, covered terraces, and infinity pools blur the boundaries between architecture and nature. Landscaped courtyards, rooftop gardens, and outdoor kitchens expand living areas beyond the walls. This approach transforms the home into a holistic environment that celebrates light, air, and scenic views. What truly elevates a luxury home is personalization. Custom furniture, curated art collections, and unique architectural features reflect the owner's identity and lifestyle. From private home theaters and wine cellars to wellness rooms and executive offices, every detail is intentionally designed. Bespoke craftsmanship ensures that no two luxury homes are alike, creating a deeply personal yet architecturally cohesive result. In conclusion, the ultimate luxury home design is not defined solely by size or price, but by thoughtful architecture, premium materials, technological innovation, and meaningful personalization. High-end modern houses represent a balance between elegance and functionality, simplicity and sophistication. As you continue creating architecture content for your audience, remember that true inspiration lies in designing spaces that elevate daily living into an extraordinary experience of comfort, beauty, and purpose.